Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and yes, I will be reacting to a very popular artist. तो मेरे को बहुत comments बहुत time से मिल रहे थे कि please आप इन artist पे react करिए, but कभी technically I don't know why I never did it sooner, but better late than never. So this is 47 and I mean this was a good opportunity because उनका नया गाना drop हुआ है, so I thought let's start with this, at least खाता खोलते हैं इन artist का भी इस channel पे. So this song is called तू जो ना होता. So this is again, I don't know, I'm on a roll. I think this is again getting distributed by Def Jam India. So yeah, I don't want to deal with this any further. ये इसका official video है, सुनते हैं ये गाना. Let me just see if something is given in the description. So apart from the bangers you guys are used to, this self-produced record makes a shift from the usual soundscape. Oh, so this is not his usual sound. तो ये गाना मतलब इस टाइप के गाने जनरली नहीं बनाते. So I'll probably you have to recommend इसके बाद इस रिएक्शन में, या प्लीज कमेंट्स में recommend करना कि what is his actual sound. वो गाना आप recommend जरूर करना. So foraying into an immersive sound inspired by Latin rap. Ooh, this has a Latino vibe. I love this genre. So like any song which has a Latino influence, I absolutely love it. So I think production wise, I'm gonna really enjoy this song. This track captures my underlying vulnerability and hopeless romanticism. Okay, all right. Let's listen to the song right away. I like how that was on beat.
तू मेरा क्या है कोई समझेगा नहीं, साथ हर कदम पे था यही, तेरे लिए सब कुछ करना है मुझे, तुझको कसम है तो कसम देगा नहीं. अब ये दिल मेरा लगता चीज पर आई है, ये पूरी दुनिया तुझे मुझ तक खींच के लाई है. वो तुझको बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कैसे तूने मेरी जान बचाई है. तू जो ना होता मेरा क्या होता, मैं तो खुद से ही बेवफा होता. तू जो ना होता मेरा क्या होता, मेरा हर लम्हा बेवजह होता. कोसा है मैंने भी किस्मत को, लगती थी खाली जो मुझे जिंदगी. तू जो मिला तो लगता है कि जिंदगी इतनी बुरी भी नहीं. बस देखना कि दिल मेरा तेरे बिना कहीं रुक ही ना जाए. जाने ना देंगे हम, चाहे यहाँ अब कुछ भी हो जाए. तू जो ना होता मेरा क्या होता, मैं तो खुद से ही बेवफा होता. तू जो ना होता मेरा क्या होता, मेरा हर लम्हा बेवजह होता. तू जो
Damn. Song is beautiful. Video is also, it's simple yet it's really heartbreaking. So see, I have not heard him rap. So I don't know his style of rapping. तो आप लोग बता सकते हो. But मेरा first introduction to 47 is him singing. So for me, he's a really good singer. Like जिस तरह से जिस simplicity से उन्होंने गाना को गाया है, very beautiful, very mellow. I like the mellowness of his voice. That's why I'm really very interested to know, like what is his actual style? Like, is he a very aggressive kind of rapper, or does he switch it up, and what is it basically? Because his voice here, oh my god, sorry, because his voice here is like so soft and mellow and just so beautiful, and you, for this kind of song, you need that emotion obviously. तो जो 47 को सुनते हुए आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं ऑन एंड ऑफ इतने कमेंट्स देखती थी कि यार प्लीज रिएक्ट टू 47 सॉन्ग्स, व्हिच नाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड, यस नाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड गाइस। तो मुझे ये बताया कि like what is your thought of his, has he done any singing songs like before? Because he's saying in his description, he's saying that okay, this is like the shift from his, marks the shift from his usual soundscape. So I am guessing कि ये पहली बार उन्होंने शायद किया है. So this is the first time he's kind of I don't know if I should say a really commercial track, but yes, maybe we can call it that. Maybe we can call it that because these kind of songs really work in the commercial, scope of the songs and going for virality के लिए and all. Like this kind of song, you know, can go viral in reels, and आजकल तो it's very, it pushes the song. It's very important aspect of marketing as well. तो मुझे तो ये गाना बहुत अच्छा लगा पहली बात. First of all, just talking about the song, his voice. I loved how mellow and soft his voice was. Second thing, मुझे बस देखना तो एक म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन किसने, so he has produced it as well. Composition भी उनका है, ये धुन भी उन्होंने दी है, and co-composed by अमन. तो दो जनों ने मिलके किया है basically. So I loved this tune also. ना 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 ना, वो एक जो थोड़ा सा एक जो एडलिप भी आ रहा था गाने में, वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Another thing that I want to point out is about the video, because I'm so happy. ये मैं एक और रिएक्शन में recently मैंने बोला था कि whenever I listen to an emotional song और उसके lyrics भी मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, so I always want, अगर उसका कोई music video होता है, see the simple way to make the video is just keep the singer on the frame and he's just doing his work, right? He's singing अच्छा location pe and all of that. But when with these kind of songs, you show a storyline, you show a proper storyline, that visual connect along with the lyrics, along with the artist, expressing and professing his love and all of that makes a huge impact. So I am very happy to see this video and the kind of storytelling that this had, obviously. And the song, it's so ironical because गाने का नाम है तू जो ना होता, but technically it happens by the end कि she's not there with him at the end in the story. So now, a part of him has left him forever, so he has to deal with it. वो metaphorically मुझे वो इतना अच्छा लगा end में, because they always एक एयरपोर्ट एक के पास रहता था, दूसरे के पास, that was their thing, right? And that casing kind of represents, two bodies, one soul. It's something like that because they're soulmates. So at the end, by the end of the video, you see that she has left, her soul, her body has left, but the soul still remains. So it's still with him. That's so cool. I love that. That's what I've deduced from the video. ये metaphorical, ये मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे आया, शायद ही हो सकता है. So yeah. Anyway, so my first listen, I am impressed. I love his singing voice, beautiful. You can definitely suggest me one of his, popular rap songs. And yeah, that was the reaction. Those were my thoughts. I want to know your thoughts. Like I said, अगर ये पहली बार उन्होंने ऐसा किया है, so if you're a fan of 47 who is watching, I want to know what's your reaction to this. We did not expect him to do that, but it's great, or it's okay, or it's bad. I want to know your thoughts in the comments. So yes, that's it. That was the reaction. Those were my thoughts. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.